यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो गाइस, ऑफ यू हैव बीन आस्किंग मी टाइम एंड अगेन कि प्लीज़ आप हमें कैटेगरी वाइज सारी कट ऑफ बता दो। सो आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग हार्ड टू प्रिपेयर दिस कट ऑफ फॉर यू गाइज एंड आई एम फाइनली हियर विद द कट ऑफ एज प्रॉमिस टू यू ऑल। सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम एंड गेट स्टार्टेड विद द कट ऑफ सून। तो चलिए, बेसिकली आपको GDMC की कट ऑफ के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ, GDMC के बॉन्ड का स्ट्रक्चर बताने वाली हूँ जो कि है नहीं, बट लेट्स क्लियर इट फर्दर, एंड थोड़ा सा फी स्ट्रक्चर बताने वाली हूँ। दिस इज ऑल दैट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन दिस वीडियो। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड गाइस। फॉर राउंड 1 दिस इज द कट ऑफ. So guys, for round 1 for general the cutoff was 612 and the rank was around 22,054. For EWS the marks were 587 and the rank was around 36,435, somewhere around that. And if you talk about OBC, the marks were 598 and the rank was 30,237. If you talk about the SC category, then the marks were 460 and the rank was 1,51,405. And if you talk about the ST category, then the marks were 440 and the rank was around 1,75,394. तो चलिए गाइज, इसी के साथ हम चलते हैं सेकेंड राउंड पर. For round 2, there have been many cases जहाँ पे upgradation नहीं हुई है, so just be aware of that कि upgradation, it is not always important कि upgradation हो. So guys, for round 2, this is the cutoff. For round 2, GDMC, for the cutoff for general category was 610 marks. For EWS, it was 590 marks. For OBC category, it was not upgraded. For SC category, it was not upgraded, and for the ST category, the marks were around 439. So let's get quickly started with the third round. So this is the cutoff for the third round. So for general category, the marks were around 609. For EWS category, it was not upgraded. For OBC category, it was 592 marks. For SC category, it was 432 marks, and for ST category, it wasn't upgraded. So guys, now telling you something about the bond structure. अब guys, पहले तो मैं आपको एक चीज़ बिल्कुल ही अच्छे से क्लियर कर दूँ दैट देयर इज़ नो सच थिंग इन GDMC. कोई भी बॉन्ड नहीं है GDMC में. अर्लियर देयर वॉज अ बॉन्ड ऑफ आई थिंक 5 years, जैसे रूरल पोस्टिंग लगती थी, बट अब ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई भी बॉन्ड नहीं है. ऐसे कुछ उत्तराखंड के कॉलेजेस हैं वेयर यू कैन गो फॉर अ बॉन्ड एंड you have to pay a fee of about 50,000 rupees, but there is no such thing in Uttarakhand GDMC college, GDMC देहरादून. कोई भी बॉन्ड नहीं है, so just be clear of the fact. इसके बाद हम आते हैं about the fee structure. Let's explain you the fee structure in detail now. So now let's get started with the fee structure of GDMC. तो पहले ऐसा था कि आप कह सकते हैं the tuition fee was around 4 lakh something, so that was quite huge amount to be paid by a candidate who gets selected into a government college. So quite many protests were done, and इसके बाद finally the fee came down to, the tuition fee has now come down to 1,45,000 rupees, and ये हमारे बैच से शुरू हुआ था. ट्यूशन फी है. एंड देन गाइज फॉर द हॉस्टल फी इज अराउंड 6,000 rupees फॉर द इंटायर ईयर. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द मेस फी, इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन हॉस्टल देन इट इज कंपल्सरी टू टेक मेस एज वेल. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द मेस फी एज वेल. फॉर एवरी 6 months you have to pay around 20,500 rupees every 6 months. For the total fees that you have to pay if you come to GDMC, then there is a tuition fee of 1,45,000 rupees plus the 6,000 rupees for the entire हॉस्टल के लिए ना बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये भी रहता है कि इज इट कंपल्सरी टू स्टे इन हॉस्टल. देन दैट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी. देयर आर चिल्ड्रन हु आर स्टेइंग इन PGs एज वेल, एंड ऑब्वियसली यू हैव डे स्कॉलर्स to pay mess fee, and the mess fee is around 20,500 rupees, and that can be variable here and there. जैसे अगर कभी मेस चेंज होती है, पहले द फी वॉज अराउंड 22,000 बट अब वो नहीं है क्योंकि मेस चेंज हो गई. तो दीज आर थिंग्स दैट जस्ट कीप ऑन वेरिंग. अभी तक तो आप सभी ने अपने मार्क्स भी कैलकुलेट कर लिए होंगे दैट हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर यू स्कोरिंग इन योर नीट एग्जामिनेशन, and as and when you just interpret the marks that how many marks you are getting, we get a rough idea of what all colleges we can get into, and it is actually very important to have an idea of which colleges I can take admission in. Just some actually much more interested in coming to GDMC, I'm just going to give you some more knowledge about what the college is like. So first year में आपके पास 3 सब्जेक्ट हैं, जैसे कि है anatomy, you have biochemistry, and you also have the physiology. बाकी आगे आगे चल के तो आपको पता चलता रहेगा. But let me tell you about some of the societies that are there in college. जैसे GDMC की जो sports society है, that is Phoenix, and I have seen children going from here, especially the basketball team as well as the football team. They go to a lot many places, and they also went to Ames Pulse this year and they secured the second position. That was good. And sham ko bhi you must have seen in my vlogs also that children do play football, and cricket also has been played by most of the children, by mostly the boys of the college. And obviously there is badminton facility available. Engage in other sports like you have basketball, you have football, you have volleyball, and then you have badminton. These are the major sports that are played. Also you have table tennis, and fest ke time so there are so many sports, I can just not number them, but there are a lot many sports like जैसे कि
पैरों में आओ भाई,
डिस्कस थ्रो भी होता है, एंड देन जैवलिन थ्रो, ये सब भी होता है, और ये जो पंजा लड़ाना ये सब भी होता है फेस्ट के टाइम में. तो फेस्ट इज़ अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल दो स्पोर्टी पीपल आउट देयर हु वांट टू कम इन GDMC. And if you talk about the literary society, I myself am being a person being so much interested in debates and all, was much more interested in the literary society. So the literary society has the name called Plectro, and they also do organize competition at times. And majorly during the fest you have competitions like debates के काफ़ी सारे होते हैं, youth parliament होता है, and also you have like जैसे होता है ना कि a situation is given and then you have to speak on that for a minute. I'm just not getting the name. Appropriate opportunities to speak and voice your opinions. Also many of you can join a NMO, which is the National Medicals Organization, which is quite active here. And also there is a big organization called as Utkarsh. Many of you who are very much interested in patriotism can go and join that fest that takes place around October, where you do get the opportunity to just showcase your talent and do things that you're good at. Like if you're good in cultural, then go for the cultural events. You have dancing events, you have singing events. You do get the opportunity. Each and everyone gets that. Then if you're good in speaking, go for the literary committee and go to so many competitions that are being organized. If you are good in sports, then go for that. कट ऑफ की वीडियो, बॉन्ड की वीडियो, या फिर आप कह सकते हो फी स्ट्रक्चर की वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म होती है. ऑल्सो यू कैन आस्क मी सम अदर क्वेश्चंस. यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. आई होप यू लाइक्ड दिस वीडियो एंड आई होप दैट दिस वीडियो वॉज क्वाइट इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू. एंड इफ इट वॉज, देन टू हिट अ लाइक एंड ऑल्सो कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी टू सी as you all as my juniors, and you all come to me and say hi Didi. So all the very best to you all for your counseling. Bye bye guys.